Hey everyone! So we're going to do a flip and drag on an 8x20. I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray in the black can. So we're going to use Creative Inspirations Copper, Soho Gold, Lucas Van Dyke Brown, Craftsmart Deep Bronze Metallic, and Deco Art Coral. So I wanted to have something on the earth tone side. So I'm going to start with copper. And I'm going to follow that immediately with the gold. Some Van Dyke Brown. Some Deco Art Coral. And a little bit of the Deep Bronze Metallic from Craftsmart. And I'll go ahead and flip that over. You know, coral is the color this year. I'm not a fan of coral. I'm not a fan of orange tones, but I will work with them. Okay. I want to get that gliding on top. And I don't want to go back in on this one, I think, so I think I'll make it too muddy. But I am going to tip to fill some spots. If I can get that to move. Nope. Darn. I'm going to have to go back in. I'm just going to grab a little bit of this and bring it onto the end here. Don't be afraid to go in with your cup, because you can always move it around. There's a lot of coral in here, but it'll look so different when it's dry with the Van Dyke Brown in there.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
See? Alexa doesn't even know. I don't know why she does that. She's always listening in on my conversations. Okay. Let me give that a torch and see if anything comes up through that gold. Okay. Not much happening there, which is fine with me, because we airbrush, so we get a lot of other looks to our paintings with the airbrush. Bring that brown down and that copper. That way I filled up that little spot with the airbrush. And then I'll fix this little spot too. I'm not liking this coral here, so I think I'll take it off. Put some white back in there. It'll dry flat. touch that coral line. And these I'm just wisping sideways to move the paint over. I may have to go a little bit this way though. There we go. Trying to get some color up there. I didn't want to pull all that coral up there. There's a lot of color under this over here. Push that brown out. There we go. I don't like this dip, so I'm going to push him in and then just touch it just a little bit to fix that so it wasn't so hello there, right? That coral paint was a little bit thinner consistency than my other paints, so it's moving. What I'm doing now is just lightly touching the paint to move it just a little bit to see if any cells want to come up. This is dendriting out just a little bit, so I'm going to leave that alone. I kind of like when it does that. There we go. I like when the brown pops up through the white, just for contrast. What that did, it opened it up so that these colors would come up. There, that's better. I'm hoping this dries darker because right now to me it's just like really pale. But I think I like it better when it's dry. Like I said, I'm not a fan of coral. But since it's the color of the year, we have to use it, right? Alright, so if you're new, click on that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Parage Posse. That link is below, along with my Christina Welch Art page. Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And if you just want to shop on Amazon, you can go through our link as well. And also our Etsy shop. That link is below if you want to purchase one of our paintings. We try to get them uploaded every couple of months, get something new in there. And we have a lot of new jewelry we're going to be putting in there. The new snap jewelry, so you can change out the colors on your necklaces and bracelets. It'll be fun for sure. And our fan mail box is below, the address, and also our PayPal donation link if you want to sponsor our channel. We use everything that we bring in for supplies to bring these videos to you every week. We try to upload a video every day. Sometimes it's impossible. We run out of drying room, but we do the best we can. And we also have auctions every 6 weeks. So if you see a painting on a Monday night that you might want to buy, shoot me an email. Or if you see a painting here on our regular videos, just let me know if you're interested. My email is ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. So a lot of people call dibs very quickly, but whatever we don't sell is in the auction. So thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you there. Bye now.